Easiest method to solve this 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. Beginners love this method. Now you find a scrambled Rubik's Cube. Let's go and solve it. So first of all, let's find the centerpiece yellow out here and hold it this way so that this yellow is facing the ceiling. Now bring 4 white edge pieces out here. So what is an edge piece? Edge piece is a piece that contains only 2 colors. Okay, so we want to find this edge piece that contains white in it. Okay, so just bring 4 edge pieces, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so we bought one, another is here. Okay, so in order to bring this here, just rotate it this way, and now see, if we do this, we'll spoil this. Okay, so we just push it away from here and bring here this next one. Okay, so again do this, go and bring the third one. Let's find the last one. Okay, so last one is here out here, so bring the layer that do not have edge piece, white edge piece out here, and bring it here. Okay, so now we got 4 white edge pieces. Okay, now this method is the best and this is the simplest method. Okay, so let's do the next step. So after you bring the 4 white edge pieces, look at this color out here, red. Okay, so just turn this upper layer and bring it so that these 2 colors are a match. Okay, so as soon as you see these 2 colors is a match, just rotate it 180 degree. Okay, so remember to always hold this yellow centerpiece on the top. Okay, now do it for other 3 white edge pieces. Okay, now this is already solved, so we just rotate 180 degree. Okay, so for this, let's go and rotate and bring it, just go and match these 2 colors and rotate 180 degree. Now last one, orange. Let's see where is it? Orange is here. Okay, so congratulations, we just formed white daisy out here on the bottom and yellow is still on the top. So after you make this white cross on the bottom, now look at this corner piece. Okay, so the corner piece contains 3 colors in it. Okay, so you can see corner piece contains 3 colors and edge piece contains only 2 colors. Okay, so we'll look at the corner piece on this top layer which contains white. Okay, so for example, this corner piece contains white, but this does not contain white. Okay, it only has yellow, orange and green. Okay, so we want to find the corner piece that contains white. Okay, so you can see there's one corner piece out here now that contains white. Now look at these 2 colors, green and orange. Now let's find the centerpiece of green and orange. The centerpiece of green is here and orange centerpiece is here. Okay, so it's already in its place. Okay, so suppose this corner piece was here. Okay, so what we had to do is we had to go and find this corner piece of green and orange and bring it here. Okay, so that this 2 corner piece falls just below this this 2 edge piece falls below this corner piece. Okay, so you can see out here this way. Okay, so you hold this cube this way, and now you can see green orange, and corner piece should contain white. Okay, so after you do that, hold this cube this way so that this white corner piece falls on the right hand side, and do this algorithm. Okay, so this is called the right algorithm. You do R, this is the upper layer, U, R prime, U prime. Okay, so as soon as you do this, you will go and solve this corner on the bottom. Okay, so now let's go and find another corner piece that contains white in it. Okay, so in the top layer we cannot find another corner piece that contains white in it, so we'll look at the bottom layer out here. Okay, so this corner piece contains white in it. Okay, so just hold this cube this way and let's bring this out here. Okay, so we'll bring this corner piece on the top layer first. Okay, so we just do the right algorithm, R, U, R prime, U prime. Okay, so we brought this out here. Now what we have to do is we have to find the green centerpiece and red centerpiece. Okay, so let's go. So green centerpiece and red centerpiece, and bring this corner piece just above these 2. Okay, so green and red, and the corner piece has needs to have a white in it. Okay, now again do the same algorithm. Okay, hold it this way, the corner piece falls on the right hand side, do the right algorithm, R, U, R prime, U prime again. So by doing it just once, it did not get solved out here, so do it again. Second time also it's not solved, do it again. Third time you can see that when we did this right algorithm, we solved this one. Now let's look at another corner piece that contains white in it again. Okay, so this contains white. Now let's go and find blue and orange. Okay, so blue and orange, and blue is here. Okay, so it's here. We just have to bring this corner piece out here just like this. Okay, now hold this cube again. This it's the same drill. It got solved. Congratulations, you just solved this first layer of this 3x3 Rubik's cube using a simple method. Okay, so now we have to solve this second layer. Now second layer, the centerpiece is already solved. You can see out here it's already solved. Now we just have to go and solve this edge pieces. Okay, so this 4 edge pieces out here. Now in order to solve the second layer, what we have to do is just on the top layer look for the edge piece that do not contain yellow. Okay, so now this is the edge piece. Edge piece contains only 2 colors, corner piece contains 3 colors. Okay, so this edge piece, look for edge piece that do not contain yellow in it. Okay, so this contains yellow in it, so we avoid that. Okay, so now you can see out here green and orange. Okay, so these 2 colors, this is an edge piece and it does not contain yellow in it. Okay, so now as soon as you find that edge piece, now look at this color out here, green. Just go and rotate and just match it to the center color. Okay, center color, you just have to match these 2 colors. Okay, so now after you match, look at this top color, orange. Is orange on the left hand side? No. Now look for the centerpiece of this color, that is orange. It's on the right hand side. Okay, so now since this orange color is on the right hand side, we have to push this away from this centerpiece. That means just to this once. Okay, so you just have to push this. Okay, so you just have to push it away from this centerpiece. Okay, so you just have to move this top layer. Okay, so we just did U to push it out here. Now after you push it, okay, so since this is on the right hand side, do the right algorithm once, R U R prime U prime. Okay, so you just do the right algorithm once. Now after you do the right algorithm, you can see this corner piece here. Now just rotate this cube and bring this corner piece on the left hand side. Okay, so now after you bring it to the left hand side, I'll introduce you to the new algorithm, the left algorithm. Okay, so you can see on the screen out here. Now left algorithm, you just have to do you just have to follow this out here. Okay, so you just have to do the left algorithm once. Okay, so we did right algorithm once and left algorithm once and we solved this part. Okay, now I'll show you another example if you are confused. Okay, so now again look for edge piece that do not contain yellow in it. Okay, so and after that you just go and match these 2 colors. Look at this green color. Now green color is on the right hand side, so we push this edge piece away from the centerpiece. Do the right algorithm once. Now bring this corner on the left hand side and do the left algorithm once and you solve this one also. Now let's look for another edge piece that do not contain yellow in it. Okay, so now blue is on the right hand side, push it away, do the right algorithm, bring it to the left, do the left algorithm. Now we just have one algorithm, one edge piece to get solved. Now you can see out here that all the edge piece on the top contains yellow. Okay, so but we want this edge piece that do not contain yellow. Okay, so in order to bring this on the top, what you have to do is just do the right algorithm once and do the left algorithm once. Okay, so this way you'll bring you'll exchange this one. Okay, so you'll this piece was out here, now we brought it on the top layer. Okay, now again it's the same drill. Okay, so you just have to match this color and look at this top color, it's on the right hand side, so push it away from the right. Remember, if this red was here, we had to push it away from this centerpiece and do the left algorithm first and then the right algorithm. Okay, so but in this case you can see out here okay, so it's like this. Okay, so we just push it away from the centerpiece and we did the right algorithm once and the left algorithm once. Okay, congratulations, we just solved the second layer as well. Okay, now after that just go to this top layer and look for this patterns. Okay, so you'll find 3 patterns out here. Okay, 1 2 3 patterns out here and just go and match it. Okay, so whichever pattern matches with this, just look here. Okay, so you can see this is one pattern. If it was a straight line, it was another pattern. Okay, so and if it's already crossed, you already solved this part. Okay, so that means we need to go and make this yellow cross now. Okay, so now for this, hold this cube this way. Okay, so you cannot hold it this way. Okay, so you have to hold it this way. Okay, so you can see you have to match it with the pattern and you have to hold it. Okay, now once you hold it, just do this algorithm. Okay, so you just have to do once. Okay, so just it's here. Okay, so you just have to do once 90-degree this front layer, then do the right algorithm once, and again do 90-degree back. Okay, so now you can see this is the second pattern which got formed out here. Okay, so now hold this cube this way. Okay, you cannot hold it this way, you can hold it only horizontally. Okay, so in this horizontal line. Okay, so you can hold it either this way or this way. Okay, and do the algorithm again, front layer 90-degree, do the right algorithm, and again bring it back. Okay, so now you can see this yellow cross is formed, and now look at this this edge pieces out here. Okay, so edge pieces, this is solved, this is solved. Okay, now you have to solve this one also and this one also. So in order to do that, look for the solved edge piece out here. Okay, so hold this cube this way so that one part of this solved edge piece is on the right hand side and one part is on the back. Okay, so now we have to solve this one and this one. Okay, so only the edge pieces. Okay, so now do this new algorithm out here, just follow this two pieces out here. Okay, so these two corners. Okay, so just do R out here, from here it came up here, now do this. Okay, so just rotate once. Okay, so now again do R prime, then again rotate once, again do R, now this time rotate 2 times. Okay, and now do R prime. Okay, so you have just solved this part. Okay, so you may tell me it's not solved, but if you just rotate once, you can see all this edge piece has been solved. Now you have to go and solve this 4 corner pieces out here. Okay, so before solving the 4 corner pieces, you have to make sure that this corner piece belongs to this corner. Okay, so for this corner piece to belong to this corner, it needs to have blue, it needs to have red and yellow. Okay, but it has blue, it has yellow, but this is orange. Okay, so this corner piece does not belong out here. Okay, so it belongs here. Okay, so this corner piece belongs here, so this is not in its correct position. Now look at this one, this corner piece has red, blue and yellow. Okay, but it needs red, green and yellow. Okay, so this corner piece is also not in its correct position out here. What about this? Okay, so now look at this closely. This corner piece has green, it has yellow and it has orange. Green, yellow, orange. So this corner piece is in its correct location. Okay, only the direction is off. Okay, so that means orange should be facing here, green should be facing here, yellow should be facing here. So this is in its correct location, so we'll hold it on the left hand side out here now and do this new algorithm. Okay, so this algorithm is also pretty simple, just follow along. Okay, just follow along, back. Okay, so after you do that, we'll check again. Okay, so make sure that you go and align these 2 colors. Okay, so after you do the algorithm. Okay, so after you do that, we'll check again. So now this is in its correct position, this is still not in its correct position because it needs to have orange out here. Okay, so again, the corner piece that is in its correct location, we hold it on the left hand side and do this algorithm again. Okay, this algorithm, once you do, you'll start doing it automatically. Okay, I don't even remember the steps. Okay, so it just happens, your muscle memory will just help you solve it. Okay, so now you can see out here, this is in its correct position. Now this corner piece is also in its correct position because it has blue, orange and yellow. Okay, so blue, orange and yellow. Okay, so now this is already solved. Okay, and this is also in its correct position. Now we bought this 4 corner pieces in their correct position. Okay, so now we just have to change the direction of this 3 corner pieces. Okay, so that here, this in this part, it's red out here, yellow here and green out here. So we have been holding this Rubik's cube, the centerpiece on the top for so long. Okay, so we just now bring the white centerpiece on the top and all this unsolved on the bottom. Okay, so now just find this unsolved corner, that means this direction, blue has to face here, and just hold it this way. Now here, do the right algorithm till you go and solve this 2 and this 2. Okay, so we did once, this 2 has been solved, but we need orange and orange here. Okay, so do the right algorithm again. now you can see orange and orange has been solved. Okay, so this has been solved. Do not worry about this. Okay, so it will get solved automatically. So make sure this white is on the top right now. Okay, so after you solve it, okay, you bring this corner piece that's not solved. Okay, so by doing U prime, okay, so sorry, D prime. Okay, so we went and brought this corner piece here, and again we'll do this right algorithm till we solve this two and this two. Okay, so it's solved. Now again this one and the last one, corner piece, bring it here, do the right algorithm till you solve it. Okay, so after you do that, you just have to do this. Congratulations, you solved this 3x3 Rubik's cube using the simplest method. Okay, so if you want to learn more tips and tricks and how to solve it fast, please do not forget to subscribe and comment on my videos. Thank you very much. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.